So there is some benefit of having that gatekeeping. Um, on the flip side, though, having them directly come into Keap, you can automate that immediate thank you email, right? We can copy the exact same email from Constant Contact and have it inside of Keap and customize that and have that be done automatically. So if there's not a concern of the quality of that lead from the event, if you're like, no, these people are going to be engaged, they're really cool. Yeah, I would say cut out Constant Contact. Just do it inside of Keap. Save yourself the time. Make sense? Heck, heck yeah. Good question. Anybody else have any questions before we kind of move on to the next step about the automation side and the follow up? No, feels good. All right, heck yeah. All right, so over here, the last page of the public form builder is going to be your configurable page. So this is where it's going to ask you, where do you want to send them to after they fill out the form? By default, Keap has a thank you page that's very simple, very basic. It's just like, yo, thank you so much, contact dot first names, right? So thank you so much, Phil, right? Thank you so much, Lisa. And then it just kind of just ends, and that's it. It's very quick, very clean, very, very clear, right? It's good. The opportunity that we have here, though, that we typically talk about it here with our active clients, is that we would want to develop like a thank you page on our website, right? Nothing in the main navigation, but it would be a page that's on our domain, on our website. And we would craft this as our company's thank you page. We would put a company video thank you from the business owners, some text, some follow-up call to actions. Hey, return to the main website, schedule an appointment, buy my book, right? Whatever. And that thank you page, being out of the normal rotation, still enables your company to get the SEO boost. So when people are coming through the Keap forms, Keap is getting the information immediately, like you want your CRM to, but it's bouncing people back to the website, which gets the unique visitor view, right? Because it's not in your normal rotation. And that really supercharges your website's reputation. That's one of a big strategy that we talk about here at the Automation Agency. If anybody likes that strategy, likes that idea, and doesn't know how to do it or wants some help, please follow up with me and Val. Well, we can set up a conversation to speak with Ian and Jason, our co-founder and our master website developer here, and we could talk about how we can do it. It's not even that bad. All right. Moving on from that, how you handle that is in this dropdown, you would just simply click on the redirect to another URL, and this is where we would put your website's URL. So it's not the end of the world. There is a little bit of stuff that we got to do at the beginning, setting up the page and stuff like that. But once you get it set up, it's set up, right? It's done. So really, really cool strategy. Most of the time, though, folks just use the default. Like I said, it just gives a very basic default thank you page. It works. Below that is the first area where it's going to give you your sharing options. This is where you can get your different codes, the hyperlink to get to the actual URL. What it does here for Facebook and Twitter X, whatever you want to call it, it kind of just formats that coding into how it would fit in those posts. It doesn't send this off to your Facebook, right? It's just making it so you can copy and paste. And then finally, at the very bottom, this is where you can get to your HTML code, the code for the form. So let's say, Marcus was trying to embed this public form on his website, and he wanted to do some cool stuff with the way the form looks. Marcus would go into here and mess with those HTML codes, messing with all the little variables to customize how the form would look on his website. Don't stress out. All of these details can be found again really, really easily. Once you save and exit out, the details that we just did here would be on the right-hand side.